India has many laws specifically aimed to protect women against various heinous crimes like rape, assault, dowry harassment, and many more. The Indian Penal Code has been amended several times to add these provisions. An example of such a change is the widening of the definition of rape and the addition of more stringent rape laws after the Nirbhaya gang rape case. There is no problem with having stringent laws for the protection of women. But in many cases, these provisions of law are misused and weaponized to extort money by creating a judicial nuisance by filing fake cases.
According to a report published by the Delhi Commission of Women, a whopping 50% of all rape cases filed in Delhi in the period of April 2013 to July 2014 were false. Another stat to show the severity of this misuse is the rate of conviction in 498A cases. Section 498A of the IPC aims to protect women from dowry harassment and its dire consequences. Out of all the cases tried under this section, only 12.2% resulted in a conviction. This shows that the vast majority of the claims are either dismissed or proven false.
In the case of Rajesh Sharma versus State of UP, even the Supreme Court of India acknowledged the fact that there is a misuse of Section 498A of IPC. Look what Justice S.N. Dhingra of Delhi High Court has to say on this.
A law made to safeguard rights of a woman in her marital home, 498A, has today become infamous as one of the most abused laws in the Indian jurisprudence ever.
These provisions of IPC are grossly misused. Not only being misused, but they are grossly misused. They are nowadays used as a leverage to settle the scores.
This. Rape laws too have become a joke for people. Look at this video wherein bank officers were having a talk with a person regarding a loan, and the wife of that person intervenes and threatens a fake rape case against the bank officers.
You don't raise your hands at me. You don't raise your hands. You stand away from me. I will put you under rape case. Don't stay away from me.
Okay, I'm for payment.
What? Payment? There is a way to ask payment.
He's coming to you.
How dare you? It's slipper and you bloody bastard.
You raised your voice or not?
Fucking bastard. How dare you talk to my husband like that?
I've never been talked to like this.
ನೀ put he tried to rape me. Come, he touched me, he raped me. I'll put him in rape case. Ayyo, I am very stressed. He just raped me. He put him assault case. I will put rape case. You want payment now? Mother, son, love and capal. Who do you think you are? Fucking better ask apology to my husband. Follow his feet. Otherwise, I'll screw your happiness. I will put it in social. Put both Facebook like put the record one thing like. Now police station. In payment side back call. Mother, son, love and capal. What please? You don't
Are there any other factors affecting this problem? The short answer is yes, there are no serious consequences for women for filing false complaints. Malicious prosecution cases take painstakingly long to be heard by the judiciary, which further fosters the feeling of frustration in the victims of such fake complaints. A natural question arising out of this would be who then is the victim in these cases? Biological male or men are the victim in these cases. Why is that? That is because the Indian Penal Code says that crimes like rape can only be perpetrated by men on women. Women are defined as biological women, and the code was aiming for the maximum welfare of women, which is not wrong if we think about it.
Is there a way to solve this issue without undermining the protection of women? Well, yes, the solution is simpler than it seems. We should aim towards more gender-neutral laws which would encompass all legally recognized genders. An example of it would be adding a word which would replace the terms like man and woman. A term like human could be added and then defined to include all genders. All the crimes that include the terms man and woman should be rephrased in such a way that these terms are replaced by the term human. This way, other genders too will get access to justice. The procedure of filing a case under such provisions should be made more stringent. As of July 2023, a statement made from a married woman is sufficient to file a case under 498A of the IPC. The new procedure should mandate evidence of a crime before filing such a case. In cases wherein gathering evidence could be difficult for victims, a primary investigation should be initiated and a case be filed only if investigation result shows at least some evidence of dowry harassment or domestic violence, depending on the case. A stricter punishment should be given for filing fake complaints. A quicker and more efficient system should be set up to quickly process the cases of malicious prosecution arising out of such false cases.
Our campaign aims at raising awareness about this problem and creating sufficient civilian pressure to make positive changes towards gender-neutral laws.